Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Brihaspati. Be the best version of yourself. I'm Sneha Pranav. Today I come up with a beautiful topic, the value of experience in public speaking. If anybody is not subscribed to my channel, I humbly request you all to please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon such that you will get the notification whenever I'm posting the videos immediately. So having said that, I once again welcome you all. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Brihaspati. Be the best version of yourself. Today we are diving into a topic that is both timeless and highly relevant in our interconnected world, the value of experience in public speaking. Whether you are a seasoned professional, a student taking your first step in oration, or someone who is simply seeking to inspire through spoken word, understanding the importance of experience in this art can truly evolve or elevate your skills. Having said that, let's begin by acknowledging the public speaking is more than just words strung together. It's an intricate interplay of confidence, presence, and authenticity. In essence, effective public speaking hinges or hinges on your ability to connect with your audience. Yet, you may ask me. Where does one that skill necessary for such can endeavor and answer I have an answer for you. It is through your experience. When you step onto step onto a stage for the first time, every nerve in your body may be doing a little dance, and that's perfectly natural for everyone. However, each subsequent opportunity to speak mobs you into a more capable orator. It isn't solely about speaking often. It's about the continuous process of refining your technique and learning from each experience. The experience allows for growth, and the growth fosters competence. It's essential to acknowledge that no amount of theoretical knowledge alone can prepare you for the unique dynamics of live public speaking. For instance, you might meticulously craft your speech or at home, but the real magic happens when you deliver it before an audience. Through practice, you develop awareness of your delivery style, vocal modulation, and body language, elements that can significantly impact how you message or how your message is delivered and it is received, both the end. And the beauty of experience lies in the timely feedback you gather. Perhaps you notice that certain gestures resonate more effectively, or perhaps a particular joke lands better in one settings than another. Each instance is a lesson offering you insights that textbooks cannot teach you. Also, I want to quote you a few other things like through the experience in public speaking, it isn't just about honoring your messages. It's also cultivating adaptability and resilience. In a dynamic environment, unexpected challenges may arise. For example, a microphone failure, an audience member's destructive behavior, that focus can scatter, your focus can scatter, or perhaps even your own stumbling over words. Sometimes one of your audience may ask few questions that you may be not aware of, and overcoming that and handling those situations, or perhaps even your own stumbling over words is more. However, you respond in these situations, in these kind of situations, showcase the true value of your experience. Understood, right? So always, also want to quote you a few things like experienced speakers can learn. They already learn to pivot gracefully. They know how to engage their audience even when faced with unforeseen objects, turning potentials, disasters into moments, most memorable moments. This adaptability is not just a skill, it becomes second nature of a person. With each experience, the once nerve wracking uncertainty transforms into empowering assurance. So, moreover, experiencing enriches your ability to form authentic connections with your audience. A person who has spoken before varied groups bring with them a wealth of knowledge. I could say like abundance knowledge. They understand that public speaking is as much about the speaker as it is about the audience. An experienced speaker can read the room, the energy, the expression, and even the disinterest of an engagement team or from the people. This clarity allows for modifications in real time, and fine tuning your messaging to align with your audience immediately and instantly. In essence, the more you share your voice, the more you tune yourself and you adjust yourself to the beautiful nuance of human interactions. I also want to tell you some other things like furthermore speaking, uh, people who are seeking or who are going to take public speaking as a passion would understand one thing: public speaking is inherently linked to leadership. Experience in the realm can shoulder responsibilities for beyond the podium. So something like you own the podium, you own the people, you own their time. You should make them, you should value their time whatever you speak. So you should take that responsibility of leadership to keep them active and present mentally, not physically. So, having said that, experience in this realm can shoulder responsibilities far beyond the podium. Leaders are often called upon to inspire, motivate, and unite. When you speak well, your ideas can ignite action, and this is where the true power of experience comes to light. Having said that, whether it's a corporate conference, a community rally, or a classroom discussion, yeah, every speaking opportunity presents a chance to influence, and it's through cumulative experiences, both success and failures, that leaders emerge. That is more important. The nature, the nurture. You have to nurture your voice over a time, learning not only to articulate your vision but also to inspire others to join them on your journey, on particular that journey, I could say. Okay, it's a huge topic, but uh, while we can read books and watch videos on public speaking, it's through experience that we truly cultivate our own unique voice and mastery in this art. Each speak, each speech, each interaction, each lesson learned contributes to a wealth of knowledge that shapes us into powerful communicators. So, whether you are stepping on a stage for the first time, preparing for your 100th speak or the speech, remember that every moment it is a change to grow, a learning stage. As you navigate your public speaking journey, embrace every opportunity, every experience, and let that be the wind beneath your wings. So it's something like you present yourself in a beautiful way. So keep that in mind. Let that be the wind, that be the fire, that be the wing beneath your wings. I could say like thank you so much. I once again invite you for my YouTube channel Brihaspati. Be the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video is valuable, please like, comment, share, and hit the bell icon for more insight. Until next, keep speaking your truth and come out of the fears. Have a great day. Stay safe. Be safe. Thank you. Bye bye.